Are you confused whether you should change your preform supplier? Are you worried about spoiling your relations with your vendor? Do you feel that although you're getting the best price, but you always face a lot of blowing rejections? Well, today I'm going to give you 5 reasons when you should definitely change your preform supplier. Hi, my name is Rohit Agarwal and I'm the owner of General Pet Industries, your packaging partner. Over our 20 years of experience in manufacturing PET preforms, we've helped over 100 blowers in maintaining the profitability by providing them the right price preforms. Well, we've also educated them on when they should look for a new preform supplier. We know that this list applies to us also. Although it is fairly simple and obvious, most blowers tend to ignore it. Firstly, you need to change your preform supplier when you are continuously facing a lot of blowing rejections and that the supplier is not making any effort on improving it. A lot of blowers buy preforms which are cheap, although they are continuously facing blowing rejections. On being asked why you're not buying better quality preforms, their answer is simple. My supplier replaces all my rejections. Although this is great, but your focus shifts in counting the rejections and getting it replaced rather than focusing on the thing you are meant to do, that is, growing your business. Secondly, you need to change your supplier if your customer complains that there is a different taste of water after the water is packed in the bottle. This means that AA has been released in the water from the bottle. This produces a foul odor in the water. The main reason for this is that the preform supplier is not using a machine called a dehumidifier, as a result of which the preform gets degraded during production. Thirdly, you need to change your supplier if he is not giving you the required quantity for which you have paid for. As regards quantity, there are 2 aspects. One is the kg. This can be easily ascertained by weighing the bag. For example, if you've paid for 25 kgs, then the net weight of the bag after reducing the weight of the bag and the plastic inside it should weigh 25 kgs. Next is the number of pieces. For example, if you bought a 18.5 gram preform, the number of pieces you should get in a kg is 54. For this, you need to pick up a kg of preform and actually count the number of pieces. If this is less, that means that the preform supplier has some poor quality molds which do not give consistent grammage. Although this does not affect the preform supplier, it will affect your profitability. Fourthly, you need to change your supplier if he is not following the agreed terms and conditions. One reason that you need to change your supplier is when he does not follow agreed terms and conditions. For a long time relation to get established, it is essential that both sides follow the terms and conditions that was agreed to at the time of purchase. These terms and conditions may be as to price, delivery date, weight. If any of these conditions get violated without any particular reasoning, then it is time to change the supplier. Lastly, you need to change your supplier if he is not able to supply you during your season. Most small suppliers reduce prices to lure customers during the off-season, but are unable to supply in the high-demand season, and thus offer abnormally high prices. This is a strong reason to change your supplier, since others might already enter into a contract for most of the production, and you may be left with no preforms or high-priced preforms. This is an important factor to consider. If the above list has helped you decide on whether you should continue with your existing preform supplier or not, I request you to please share this video with your fellow blowers and friends. Also, we would love to hear about what you would like to hear in the next video. Signing off, see you in my next video.